Hello friends, today's topic stocks which are compulsory in your portfolio. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. In stock markets, there are multiple ways to create wealth. There are a wide choice of stocks which can be part of your portfolio. In fact, most investors will have different stocks in their portfolio, will still have all of them can make good profits in stock markets. However, there are some sectors which are almost default in your investor's portfolio for future creation due to their evergreen nature. We must definitely include stocks to the following three sectors. 1. Banking and finance sector. In the previous generation, people put more money on physical assets such as real estate, gold, etc. In the future, more money will be invested on financial assets such as stocks, mutual funds, bonds, deposits, insurance, etc. This is called financialization of assets. Due to this changing trend, many companies will benefit. Large number of people still don't have bank accounts, credit cards, demat accounts. Only around 8% of India's population is currently investing in mutual funds. So the scope of growth is immense in the next 10 to 20 years. We need to do our research and decide which are the companies which might benefit in this sector. Banking and financial sector, some companies which might benefit: 1. CDSL, 2. HDFC Bank, 3. ICICI Bank, 4. SBI Life Insurance, 5. HDFC Life, 6. Bajaj Finance, 7. CAMS. Second sector everybody must have in their portfolio is IT and software sector. Day by day, we are using technology in more and more aspects of our life. IT sector is an evergreen sector which is likely to continue creating wealth for shareholders in the long term. IT and software sector has different angles such as software outsourcing, automation technology, software as a service, etc. There are multiple companies which will benefit from the growth of this sector. We need to select one or two companies in our portfolio. IT and software sector, number 1, TCS, 2. Infosys, 3. Tata Elxsi, 4. LTIMindtree, 5. Happiest Minds. FMCG sector, fast moving consumer goods. That is India's 4th largest sector. It is an evergreen sector since it caters to the daily requirements of 145 crore people in India. It covers 10% of India's GDP. The demand for goods such as soaps, toothpaste, biscuit, other food products is growing. Rural India is also buying branded products, which was not the case many years back. As the population grows, the income of people rises, more people will spend on FMCG products. FMCG sector has been growing at around 15 to 20% every year. FMCG sector, some of the companies which might benefit: 1. Dabur, 2. HUL, 3. Godrej Consumer Products, 4. ITC, 5. Tata Consumer Products, 6. Nestle, 7. Britannia. Right now, there are many sectors which are trending such as defense, railways, EV, infrastructure, power, PSU, etc. Many of these are cyclical in nature, hence be careful when adding them in your portfolio. Don't get carried away by FOMO, means fear of missing out. That means if I don't invest now, then I'm going to miss out a great opportunity. At the end of the video, here's the question. Do you have stocks from these sectors in your portfolio? You might type yes or no. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.